which is downloaded from the web sources. Sometimes it's happen when you download data from the web sources, the date in the particular data has automatically changed. Like similarly, like the one example I have shown here is when you download this data, some dates come with a timestamp. Another dates have interchanged, like day become month and a month become date, and sometimes it shows like a number here. Uh, Look at this. Here you can see this is a number, and this is the day become a month and month become a day. So it is a change. This whole data is pertaining belongs to September 24. So that means this cannot be possible. December, it's actually this is 12 September, it's 11 September, it's 10 September, and it's 9 September, it's 7th September. So it sometimes it's happened when you download from data from the web source, it automatically changed, right? Some come with a timestamp, sometimes the interchange, and sometimes the shows like a number. So we will check how to rectify this, and we will use Excel method and Power Query method to solve this. Like this is an Excel method, and another one is a Power Query. So let's start now. How to do this? Just keep this one so that I will check. Come to the Excel now. This is the Excel file, and we will take an approach Excel from within a function. First of all, I will tell you one thing, that I will use to check whether the value is text in a format of text or not. So this is the method you can use. Just press key and do it. If the value is not coming like this, there is I have pasted the formula like this one. So if the value is not showing in function, that means it is a numerical number, and if it is showing, that means it is a text number. So if it is text, it will show like a string, okay, and if it is a numerical number, it will not show as a, there is nothing in the apostrophe double quotes. So we will use it, and this, and now just delete it for the time being. Another one I will tell you, uh, we will use a text split function, which is available in the MS Office 24 2024 LTSM preview. So text split function, I will split this text into three part. The delimiter, I will use it as a space. So just press F2 and something. So it's a delimiter, my column delimiter, it is a column. I will use a column delimiter is a space. I will put a space in between the space, and then row delimiter is nothing. Just leave it blank. True, and just press enter. So this will give me a like this one. So look at this, right? So if you want, you can freeze the pane so that I can share, see according to. So this is a split. Now this will not split because it is a number. This is a text. It can be splitted. So now another one, if it is splitted, so press Control Shift or hash. This will shows like a December, it is the 9th of December, but this whole data is belongs to September. So how it comes that there is a date is a 9th of December. That means it is day become a month and month become a date. So I have to use a fun function like date function, this one, and I will put here, and just press F4. Now I will put I will mm, write a day here in place of month. So I will just type a day here and press F here. Now month, this one, and this one. So now this is absolutely correct now. Now day become a month and a month become a day, right? Look at this. Now my function is perfectly working. So let me just drag it here and press here so that I can use it. Now I have two functions, one text split and another one is a date function. So I will use it if function. So I just type if it is a date, if it is a text, the open parenthesis, press F4, not equals to this one. That means if it is not a text, it is a numerical value. It is not a text, it is a numerical value, then type this one. Otherwise, multiply this. Otherwise, put this formula. This formula, this formula. So just copy it completely from this place to this place. And of course, it should be multiplied by 1 so that it will be converted into the numerical part. Now, copy it and paste it here. Now, this one will become a function text. Now, always remember when you type a text, it will come at the left side. Look at this. Like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a numerical value. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now type dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this. Difference of text is this one. That means if you type the text, it will go left side alignment, and when you type the numerical, it will go a right side alignment. That is the basic difference. So if I will just remove all the ones, look at this. I will just removing the one and removing this one. So it will come to the left side alignment. That means this is a text date and this is a numerical date, right? So just I will multiplying it by multiply by 1 and multiply by 1 so that it will come to right side. Of course, anything that you have in a text format, you can convert it by a multiply by 1. This will come to this one. Look at this. Okay. So now, now I got the date in its right order. I got the date in a right order. Look at this. Um, it is a 9th of Feb, but it is a 2nd of September. So it's converting perfectly. But the problem is that it is giving me this data also. This one and this one. I don't want this one because it is an array. This is an array because it's splitting into the 3 columns. So it's an array. So I will use the index formula. Index index formula have an array input, row number, row wise this one, and column is this one. So it's a splitting in a column wise. It is splitting in a column wise, so I will use this one. Otherwise, if it is splitting this in this direction, then I will use the row number. But it is fortunately it is using a it is splitting in a column wise. So just type cut it here from this place to this place. Now type index. Now put the array value. Now row num is nothing because it is not splitting in a row wise, it is splitting as a column wise. So I'm this is a column number. This is column number 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2. 0, 1 and 2, and so I need only one, this one. So it's first column. So I will use one first column. Okay. So type it here because it is nothing. I will show you. So now this is how you can convert data using a Excel function. Okay. This happens a lot of time if you are using it, if you are used to download a data from the websites or anything that provides you data, web source data. This will happen. So the date will comes, sometime it will come with the timestamp, sometime it come with the number format, sometime it's the day become month and month become date. A lot of things is there. So this is the first approach. You can use it. Okay. Another one you can use Power Query method. So it's a table. I will just convert it into the table. So I will go for the Power Query like this one. Right click, get into the table. Just wait for a minute. Now Power Query is loaded. Okay. So just remove this change type, or you can use this option, query option, and wait for a second. Use data load and never detect the column. Just select this. Whenever you select and press OK, it will make sure that it will not check the type of the data automatically. Okay, but I want it, so I will not press it. Okay, so let's click on cancel. So now first thing is to do this. The date have a, this is text date, this is text date, this is a numerical date, but the day become a month and month become a date. It is the, and this is a number format, right? So first of all I will change to date and time, so that every dates have timestamp, right? Look at this. Every date comes with a timestamp, but not in a correct order. It is a 4th September 2024. It is showing as a 9th April 2024. So data is wrong, date is wrong. So I will go, and now I will go for the add column, go to date, and I will choose date only. So I got this date only, right? Now I got the date, but not in the right order. Look at this one. So I will check. It is, I know this is pertain, this is belongs to the September month. September is 09. So I will come to this place, and now I go to the custom format, right? So custom column. So it's my final. Come to this place. Now I will write a formula. If the day is more is not equals to 09, that means the date is correct. If the day is equal to 09, that means the date is not in a correct format. So I will make sure that 12 should be here and 9 should be here. Okay, so let's start now. If just date it here, click. Now I will use the date function, date dot to text. This will use to change format. Look at this. I think it's not here. Now date to text function is there. Just remove this date one, and this function should take a date. So I will take date. Now we have an options as any. That means I need a format like in a string, a close. This will let's say dd means 09. dd, this is belongs to date. Day, the day is equal to dd, and the month is equal to capital M. Make sure that it should be capital M. Small m is equal to minute. So sir, y, and minute equals to small m, right? So make sure that if this equals to 09, change it from like copy it again, paste it here, and let's say M dash DD dash Y. I'm just changing day become a month become a date. It is not equal to 09. That means it's kind of date 13, 14, 13. This is not equals to 09 because date is 30. It is not equal to 09. But this is 09. This will it equal to this one. That for this date, this 12 should be here and 09 will be here and here is common. So it will become a 12th September 2024. Right? Then I will just stop it and paste it here. If it is not equal to this one, just do it and dash. Now check the formula is okay. That's the final. Just paste it here. Now I got this date. Now my date is correct. Look at this 9th December. It's a 12th September. So it's a 10th of it's a 10th January. So it is okay. 9th of 9th February. So it's a 2nd of September. Okay. Now just convert it into the date. Now it's a final. I got it. Okay. If you want, you can change it according to one more thing you can do. If you want, you just put a one more N here and one more D here. Look at this. It will become the name. It's a Saturday. So because I have right triple D will become on Saturday. And here, November 9th 2024. Right? So it's wrong. Just click back and remove this one. Yes. So it's a final. Now I don't want this and this column, just remove it and go home and close it. I don't want I need as a connection, so I just deleting this table so it will become a connection. Now it's connection only. Now come to this place, right click, go to table, choose a area, press OK. Now it's oh, sorry, wait a minute, wrong. Hold on. Just only just click code table B1. Yes, correct. Not this will happen. Now, if you just put here, refresh it, you will see right out. Just select and shift hash. Shift hash. URL plus shift plus hash. This will convert into the date like this one. Okay. Now one more thing that you can add. If you want to make a custom list of this date, you can just go and select some dates like this one. Functional options, go to advanced custom list. So just select this one. Now import, click OK. This will be done. Now OK. Then press OK. Now I want download data. So just like download data. Just drag it here. It will give you a list of data. So it's a I just made it custom list, right? If you want a custom list, you can do like this one. So it's a custom list. Okay, just to hold on for a minute. So I just made a custom list, right? If you want, you can take a heading here, just here and just drag it. You will get the custom list. Okay, so this is our custom list method. One more thing, custom list. How to make custom list. One more thing, the one more trick is there. Okay, sometimes it happens when you have put the filter and you want to copy and paste on the filter, but it will not work. Like like the, like this one. So I just select February, October, November, and some dates like this one, and I just filter it. But I want to copy this one to this place, and it will not work. It will give me the error. So how it, how do we get this like this one? So select this cell, press Alt semicolon. This one, plus semicolon. It will this one. It will give you visible dates only, visible cells only. This will give visible cells. Visible cells. So just select this one. Alt plus enter is visible cells. Now go to home. Select left, and this will give you this one. Look at this. It's perfectly working. Okay, so you can use this time this way. So just press Control Z. Another method to do this same thing is I'm just pasting here so that yeah. So just do it. Select and Control Shift L. Control Shift L used for putting a filter here. Control Shift L. L for lion. Okay. So it's a 24 February. No, I don't want it. February, October, November, December, something like this one. So this one. Whether this is working, I will. I want to Control Shift hash. This is the date and CTRL shift plus hash. It is for date. Okay. And CTRL plus shift plus L. Filter on off. Okay. Let's see whether it is working. Select this one and select press control and select this one. Now I want this to display whether it is working or not. Just press. Yes, it's working. Absolutely working. That means you don't need adjacent cells to use this. You don't need to use adjacent cells to use this left function, right function, arrow function. That means cells can be anywhere, and you just select, press control like this one, and then press control this one, and then select left side button. So it will give you copy and paste it here. Okay, this is another way you can use it. One more trick. So left for a minute. Okay, now sometimes this happen when that start start not open a file on Excel So how do we do this? Like if you want, I want to make one file, just press backward slash and it will give me a different data. And I want a file over. I want to open this file. I want to open this file. Just press save and close it. I want Excel to open this file. When I click on Excel icon, this file should be open on startup. So just make file, go to this one, press advance, just go directly into this and paste the folder location from this here. So how do you just click on this, go to desktop, and I want you to press shift button and right click on the file, press shift and then right click, you will get the if you don't press shift it will not show as a copy path. Yeah, it's showing because it is a Windows 11. So just copy this one and come to the Excel, paste to there. It is very important. You cannot write a file name here. You have to give till folder. So that means you have to put this file into the some folder like this one. So if you just click DM folder, then you have to write only this one. So it will open all the files in this folder, right? Just forward slash and press OK. Now just close it. Now open Excel. This file should open on a okay, this one. Look at this. This opening it. Press again. Go to Excel. This will open. Okay. If you want to open another instance of Excel, how do you do this? And instance of Excel application, right? So how will you do this? If there is one Excel is already open, but you want another Excel to be open, so just press Windows button, press on Excel, then press on Alt button. Just press the Alt button down. You will get the pop-up of do you want to? Yes, I want to open a new Excel. So there should be a new Excel notify, and you will get this two Excels, two Excel file like this one. Another one is okay. So it's one method, another one is how to check the difference between two columns because you cannot go one by one. Look at this, we have a huge list of Excel, this one. So you have lots of very big list of dates and you cannot check one by one. You can just go like this one, true and false, just click this one and this one, this should be true and false because this is the formula and this have a this one, so it's not equal to this one. Okay. So how do we check? So it is very simple. You select this one and if it is check, just select this one and it is very important that you have put your cursor in a C column. That means it will show the difference in this column. If you the cursor in B column, then it will give you the difference in the C column. Okay, so just F5, press F5 and go to special and go to the column difference and just select OK. So it's give you this one. So it's giving a it's a uh, column difference. Okay, now press F5, go this one, and now I want the row difference. So it will give me this one. So look at this. This date is not equals to this date, and rest of the date is equal. That means this one. So now I will, because I have put the cursor here. Now I put the cursor here. This time this will select this one. Press F5, go to this one and press row difference. Look at this. This will give me this data. So this is how you can check the differences between two columns. Two multiple. Press F5. Remember, it is very important. Press F5. Okay. This is one more thing. Row difference and column difference. Okay. Now, what does it means? F5. Select and go to this red. It's showing method means that this value is coming from this value. Precedent. This is the precedent. This is dependent. This is the precedent. Okay. This is the dependent and this is the precedent. If you select this one and want where from you get this value, just click as F5. Just go to and you just select precedent. Direct precedent. This one. So that means this value is coming from after calculation from this cell, right? So this is how you can check, and of course you can use, of course you can choose a button like this one, September, October, and some dates like this one. And if you want to select visible cells only, press F5, go to special and select blanks, or you just select the visibles only. Just select the visible cells only, it will run. It is just like a alt semicolon. This is equal to alt plus this one. What if you want to multiply some like this one? Then look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And how will you check like date? You have to hold on. I will type a number in text and between 1200 to 2500. It is a number format. It is coming in a number format, but I want it in a text format. So just put it here and just take left or right, whatever you want. So how many numbers there? 4. So just click on 4 and I will get the text format. Some data in a text format, some in a number format. Okay. Now how to convert it into the number? The question is, I want to put a 1 here. Just copy it and select this one and go to home. Press special. Click on multiply and press OK. Now this will automatically, the multiplication is all done in all the cells. Press OK. So obviously you can do it. Now one more thing that I would like to tell you is, look at this. Press delete it, and I want all this data here only. So just press Control caret. I want all the data here and here, and the blank should be leave as it is blank. So I will select. I will copy it entire and then select this one, then go to home, then go to paste special, then skip blank and press OK. So it's coming with as it is, right? Just hold on, I just want to copy it here to this place. Just go place special script blank. Look at this. Now this is done. Now the blank value should be as it is. Leave it as blank, and the rest of the data should be come up here. So this is how you can use the skip blank. Again, you just want to see, you can see. I just copy it. I want to paste over everything, but the blank should be as it. The blank cells should have a same content as it is. So I just click on this special, go to skip blank, and sorry, I just select this one. Then paste special, go skip blank, and look at this. Done. Blank. Another way you can use, of course, if you want to link this cells to this place, just copy it that one and go to uh, paste link. So blank is there, but I want just hold on, skip blank, and if you are selecting a skip blank, this will not happen. So you have to remove, put it, and you will get it. All this value here. Blank should be 0 and 0. Okay. So that's all. One more thing I would like to tell you is that I have just copy this image and paste it in a Excel file like this one, and I want to remove the background of these rows. Now how we'll do this? Just go to image and remove the background. Here is just, and this tab is to select which areas you want to keep, and this select which area you want to remove. So I want to keep all the area like this one, and okay, so just select it here, and I want to keep the area, uh, so I will just select this one and select, look at this, this will give me a nice one. So this is not all of in there, then go back and remove again. I want to keep this one also, so I just select here and this one, and select this areas also, and this one. Look at this. So I just want to keep it here, and I want to keep this one also. Look at this. Rest of the area should be gone. So this will give me a nice another one. More thing, I don't want to keep this, so just remove it, and I want to remove this one. Gone. And I want to remove this one. It is not necessary to drag correctly, but it will perfectly work. No issue. Gone. Now click outside and you will get this nice rows. So this is how you can remove the, you can use the remove background function in Excel. Okay, so that's all from my end. In the next video I will tell you how to create a add-ins like this one. Okay, till then, goodbye.